Okay, so I'm here in my messy kitchen and I wanted to show you, these are the containers I buy when I cook, like I cook bulk proteins, and I want to show you why I bought them. I'm not working with this brand yet, but I wanted to let you know a couple things about them. One, so it comes with lids and it comes with a container, okay? Hot, cold, freezer, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave safe, okay? Made from bamboo. Okay, so I really like them. They have worked out very well for me. I also really appreciate that they are stackable, so I can stack them down where I put like Tupperware and all those things. They don't take up a ton of space, so that I really appreciate. You can have hot and cold. They're BPA free. There's a lot of reasons why I bulk protein. Like I make a ton of, I'm actually putting in like a pineapple pork that I made. I am measuring out, I'm taking everything that I made and then I'm portioning it out into serving sizes to go into these. So I find that this is the perfect portion size for, I basically do about 75% of this filled with protein and then the rest is a carbohydrate. But that's just what I do. I really love these. I love that I can wash them in a dishwasher so they'll last forever. They've held up really well. I'm on my second batch. I just bought more because I have tons in the freezer. So overall, very impressed with these. If you try them, let me know.